We are back in St. Louis where the celebration continues for the Gauchos from UC Santa Barbara. 2-1 victors over UCLA.
So congratulations to the UCSB men's soccer team, the 2006 national championships. We in engineering are especially proud of Jeff Murphy, a mechanical engineering senior this year who already has a job lined up for just after graduation in January. I had a chance to sit down with him and talk a little bit about his experiences at UC Santa Barbara and within the engineering program here. Here's that casual interview.
I want to be an engineer. That's why I came to Santa Barbara in the first place, was because of the engineering program, academics, and I knew that the engineering program at UC Santa Barbara was a great program on campus. Whenever I'd come up to visit my brother, I liked the area, I liked the program, I liked the coaches, I liked the engineering school. It was just so many things about it that I just knew in my heart that it was the right decision to make. So I lived in Fontainebleau, and then my sophomore year I moved to Del Playa and had that run, which was, obviously you wake up every morning, you have your sliding glass door, and you're looking out at the ocean, and probably never have that for the rest of my life. So that was, a great experience. And then since then I've been living on Sabado, also in IB. So, coming out of high school, I wasn't really positive what I wanted to go into. I was always had excelled in math and sciences and done well in the subjects, and I was always kind of a hands-on type of guy. I like to see results, and to me it just seemed like mechanical was the best fit. Yeah, for me it was engineering. This is what I want to do with my life. If I get to play soccer and get to compete, that's great. I love it. But at the end of the day, I want to be successful in engineering, and something that I can count on for the rest of my life. I think they have, there's great intramurals. There's the whole community. There's the Gaucho logos, the fans. I mean, there's so much stuff you can do in Santa Barbara that, if you get way into engineering, then, some people can do that, but there's way more out there. I mean, obviously, going all the way to what I did is, extremely fortunate, and I'm lucky to do that. But, there's so many other ways you can, whether it's surfing or hiking or, any activity, all around campus. I mean, there's so many options that everyone. I would feel that everyone would find something that they would enjoy and they would like. I don't have much of a break. I start I have a mechanical design engineering position in Costa Mesa, which I am going to start a week from Monday on December 18th. So, I've had the privilege this last year of working along with Professor Kedward, and he's just a phenomenal man, a phenomenal professor, and to find someone that cares that much about the students, especially for as long as he's been teaching, it's just for. I had a great experience, and you can't beat the community, the weather, the atmosphere. I mean, the location, everything about the school, the engineering program, and it's just been great. So I wouldn't trade my experience in for anything, and I'm definitely glad I chose this school and this university. So.
UCSB, what a day for the Gauchos. Unseeded and all, they are now national champions.